Egypt is one of the most fascinating travel destinations in the world. Ancient pyramids, temples along the Nile, vast deserts, and vibrant cities make it a place full of history and contrast. But choosing the right time to visit Egypt is essential, especially because temperatures can vary dramatically throughout the year. In this guide, we break down the best months to visit Egypt based on weather, travel experiences, and regional differences. Whether you want to explore the pyramids, cruise the Nile, or relax by the Red Sea, timing your trip correctly can make a big difference. Winter, December to February. Winter is often considered the best time to visit Egypt. From December to February, temperatures are much cooler compared to the rest of the year, making it ideal for exploring outdoor sites. This is the perfect time to visit the pyramids of Giza, the temples of Luxor, and the Valley of the Kings without dealing with extreme heat. Daytime temperatures are comfortable for walking tours, while evenings can be cooler, especially in desert areas. It is also the peak tourist season, so popular attractions can be crowded, and accommodation prices may be higher. Still, the comfortable climate makes it one of the most recommended times to travel across the country. Spring, March to May. Spring is another great time to visit Egypt, especially in March and April. Temperatures begin to rise, but are still manageable for most outdoor activities. This season is ideal for Nile River cruises, where you can travel between Luxor and Aswan while enjoying historic temples along the river. It is also a good time to visit Cairo and explore its markets and museums. However, travelers should be aware of the Khamsin winds, which can occur during spring. These hot, dusty winds can reduce visibility and make some days less comfortable. Despite this, spring offers a balance between good weather and fewer crowds compared to winter. Summer, June to August. Summer in Egypt can be extremely hot, especially in inland areas such as Cairo, Luxor, and Aswan. Temperatures often exceed 40 degrees Celsius, making daytime sightseeing challenging. However, summer can still be a good option for certain types of travel. Coastal destinations along the Red Sea, such as Hurghada and Sharm el-Sheikh, are more comfortable due to sea breezes. These areas are perfect for beach vacations, snorkeling, and diving. Another advantage of traveling in summer is fewer tourists and lower prices. If you plan carefully and avoid peak heat hours, it can still be an enjoyable trip. Autumn, September to November. Autumn is one of the best times to visit Egypt. Temperatures begin to drop after summer, making travel more comfortable again. September can still be quite warm, but by October and November, conditions improve significantly. This is an excellent time to visit major sites like Abu Simbel, explore Cairo, and take Nile cruises without the peak crowds of winter. The Red Sea also remains warm, making it ideal for beach activities and water sports. For many travelers, autumn offers the perfect combination of good weather, fewer tourists, and better prices compared to the peak winter season. So when is the best time to visit Egypt? For sightseeing and exploring ancient sites, December to February is ideal. For a balance of weather and fewer crowds, March to April and October to November are excellent choices. For beach vacations and diving, June to September works well along the Red Sea. For budget travelers, summer offers lower prices but requires careful planning due to heat. Egypt is a destination that can be visited year-round, but choosing the right season will make your experience much more enjoyable. From the pyramids and ancient temples to the Nile and the Red Sea, Egypt offers an incredible journey through history and landscapes. Timing your visit correctly allows you to experience the country at its best. When would you visit Egypt? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more travel guides and destination tips.